Miss Layton. I almost didn't recognize you. Earth clothing doesn't seem to fit your Martian figure as well as one would hope.
You will address me as High Commander Marcio when you speak to me.
Will I now? Even while you're still in your human disguise? Surely you wish to keep up the ruse. Why else would you choose to appear out of uniform whilst addressing your supreme leader? You know how that displeases him.
There was not time to change back into my uniform. I had to make my report at once.
Are you sure that's the reason, my dear? They say that sometimes an agent can be so deep undercover, they start to sympathize with those they are meant to be spying on. It would be a shame if you suddenly found your allegiances warning, wouldn't it? I understand the Supreme Leader looks very coldly upon traitors.
How dare you question my loyalty, you?
Enough!
All hail Crankor, Supreme Leader of the Martian Invasion Forces.
You honor us, Your Excellency.
Spare me your simpering! And you dare come before me wearing the apparel of the Earthlings?
I tried to tell her.
Silence! I no longer find your petty squabbling amusing. They distract you from our true purpose, the victory and glory of Mars! Now, your report, Marcia.
The Earthling, Claire Gray, and her associates know more than they are telling their superiors. I believe she suspects our involvement in recent events. She fears a spy roams among them.
Do not underestimate Claire Gray. She is a tricky and resourceful opponent.
You still maintain your theory that this human, Claire Gray, and our rival, the Blue Ghost, are, in fact, one in the same?
It is more than a theory. I warn you, if you do not deal with the girl, the Blue Ghost will continue to disrupt your plans.
Enough! You seem to know the Earthling well, Sombra. What would you recommend?
The girl will want to keep her circle of confidence small. She will not confide in those in the base. She will seek the company of those she trusts.
I will send the Green Spectre to collect the girl and make her our prisoner.
My lord, surely eliminating her completely would be the wiser choice.
I have given you my orders, Sombra. I want the girl alive. Go and make the preparations. You will be joined shortly.
That woman is not trustworthy. I deeply love to put her into the thought transform and alter her brain to believe she is a Trigorian sea slug.
You will have your chance in due course. Once this world is ours, we will alter the mind of every person on this planet, making them our servants.
My lord, is it really necessary to convert the entire populace? They're not all like Sombra. Some are kind, gentle. If we only worked with them, perhaps we could—
Enough! I sense you're growing too fond of these Earth creatures. Perhaps you are even starting to develop feelings for them? You have begun to forget your true purpose. You are not this Linda Layton. You are a faithful servant of Mars! These Earthlings are of no concern to us. We are the supreme race. We have the supreme weapon. We do not seek peaceful coexistence. We do not cooperate. We conquer. You will do well to remember that. Let's do share the ultimate fate.
Forgive me, Lord Crankor. I meant no disrespect. You know that I crave nothing more than our final victory.
See that you remember that. Now go! You heard?
I did. Somra's correct. If our plan is to succeed, Claire Gray must be removed.
Sombra does not think clearly when the girl is concerned. I do not trust her to carry out this mission. You must go, my friend. I believe you are wise enough to not let your emotions get in the way of our larger goals. Soon, we will have the ability to bring your greatest creation to life. And here, We will create what I was denied on Mars. I will show this world that I can be its master. I will perfect my own race of people. A race of atomic supermen which will conquer the world. Ha 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 ha!